Hi everyone, I thought I would try something new, so I've reversed this video so it looks like I'm filling it up rather than taking out the earwax. So this patient has a really narrow ear canal and a huge build-up. Obviously we're starting off with a clear eardrum, but you'll see me filling it back up again with everything that I pulled out. If you absolutely hate this video, let me know and I won't make another one of these. I just thought it would be interesting to see what it would look like. I guess even just for my own satisfaction. So that's a really solid piece. And the issue is that her ear canal was so narrow, which meant that this huge piece had to get through this narrowing, which was the difficult part. Luckily, her ear bone structure was fairly malleable, so I could pull her pinner or pull the outer ear, and it would give me a little bit more space to maneuver it out. But you can see there how narrow it is. So this part of the wax is coming out. This is very weird to watch it. With me pushing it in, you can see that I'm sort of moving it round and round and gently pushing it back in. That piece is very solid. Oh, it just steamed up the camera for a bit there. So you can see it was moving quite easily before, but as we get to that section, which is where it's the most narrow, it's really difficult to get it past that part. But yeah, just wiggled it past, so I'm nearly there. Although there was a lot more. There's a lot more coming. A lot more going back in. The wax moves up and down. It's coming back out of my tube and filling up. There we go. You can see the canal being filled up like an icing pipe. It's all coming out of the tube and back into the ear. Oh, that's so crazy. I'm literally filling up the entire canal. So this is all the bit that came out quite readily at the beginning, which was the part that gets the most drops. So when people use oil, if it is completely blocked, then only the entrance really gets softened. But that's it. That's the whole ear treatment. That's how it looked at the beginning. Thanks for watching.